English, Grade 7.
Tape script 7.20.1.
What are you doing?
We're making wishes. The wishes float on the water and into next year.
Where's Dara? What's he doing? I hope he's not getting into trouble.
He's okay. Dara is putting his wish in the water. Oh no! Dara is falling! He's falling into the water. He isn't swimming very well. He's getting caught in the wishes. He's dying. So Paul, what are you doing?
I'm jumping in.
So Paul is saving him.
I'm wet and cold.
What's your wish, Dara?
I wish never to wish again.
Tape script 7.20.2.
I am walking, I am singing, I am running till I'm hot. I am fishing, I am flying, I am crying till I'm not. I am jumping, I am sleeping, I am playing round a lot. I am swimming, I am dancing, I am riding till I stop.
Tape script 7.20.3.
What are they doing?
They are having plowing festival. They're choosing what to plant this year.
What's Dara doing? Is he getting in trouble?
No, he's being good. He's over there. He wants to pet the cow. The cow chooses what to plant. He thinks it's magic. He wants to pet the cow so he can get some magic too.
Watch out, Dara! That's not a cow. That's a bull. It's the dad cow. It's getting angry. Oh no, it's chasing Dara. Dara is running fast, but the bull is running faster. Run, Dara! Run!
What's he doing now? He's jumping. He's jumping over the fence. The bull is jumping as well. Run, Dara, run! Oh no!
What's he doing now?
He's flying. It's just like a wong.
It really is magic.
Tape script 7.20.4.
So, Paul, I don't know anyone. Who are all these people?
Don't worry, Linda. I can introduce you. That's my uncle. He's standing on the stage playing the guitar. He always plays his guitar at weddings.
Yes, I can see him. Who is that?
That's my aunt. She is sitting next to him and singing.
She can sing? Cool! Who is that eating?
That's my big brother. He's eating special eggs.
And who is that?
Dancing like crazy? That's my mom. She loves dancing. She dances around the house. She's dancing with my dad. Dad hates dancing, but he loves Mom and she makes him.
What is that girl doing? Who is she?
That's my little sister. She's sleepy. So, she is sitting under the table. She's very young.
Oh, wow! Who is that?
That's my big sister, of course. This is her wedding. She's wearing a beautiful wedding dress. She has 5 wedding dresses.
Wow! 5 wedding dresses? Maybe I should have my wedding in Cambodia.
I think so too.